Hello, my dear gardening friends. You know, I feel that the time before Christmas is such a wonderful, blessed time. And if you are a lucky gardener who has evergreen trees growing on your property, you can make all the decorations for the outside and inside of your house yourself. I am one of those gardeners. I have two evergreens. One is right here, this holly bush. Well, it's not really a bush, it's a huge, wonderful, mature tree. And today I am making decorations. This holly tree is quite old and quite mature. And you know what? We use it in so many different ways during the year. Right here, it is blocking the corner of our property and masking all our neighbors. Actually, two of our neighbors are being covered by this tree. During the summer, I hide all sorts of things under the canopy under there. This is a place where I hide my compost bags. And in winter, I do collect some of the leaves from underside the canopy, and I do make all sorts of garden decorations with them and bring them in the house. There are two, well, actually one drawback about this holly, this magnificent, big, mature holly tree. It's a male tree. And for gardeners who don't know, there are male and female hollies, and female hollies do produce wonderful berries. But there would be, if there is no male holly present, female hollies will not produce berries. So all my neighbors have wonderful red berries right now on their hollies, and I do have the male tree to help them to do that. All right, so what do we have here? Here we have nice, beautiful branches. They lose their needles right now at this stage. I did pick up in the store several berries, red berry twigs. We do have ribbon. And all of them I think I picked up at Michael's. So that would be good. And these twigs, I'm going to make the base of the wreath, and they are fresh. These twigs are fresh, so they bend very well. This one I think is old. Yeah, it will snap. But these guys are fresh saplings I collected just recently, so they bend and they will, oops, what a snap. And they will be forming a circle, nice big circle. Now, to tighten them up, I have a thread here. This is the sealer, not the sealant. This is, yes, acrylic sealer in gloss color. I'm going to put the name of it under the video. And the reason why I'm using it, because holly branches are dull. They generally in life they're not really shiny, but when they dry, they start drying, they're turning into very dull green. And to spice them up, I will spray them with this sealant. You know what? I don't like this very sharp red color here. It looks very calm and understating. So this is going to be too much, I think. All right, let's see. Now, I would suggest if you guys are doing this wreath in artificial, with artificial decorations, I highly advise you to invest into a metal rod because this is heavy. I'm not sure how this will hold on. And if squirrels would be interested in touching these berries. Now, you know what? For outside, I'm not going to do anything with my hollies. I'm not going to spray them because for outside they should be okay. But when I bring holly branches inside the house, I will definitely spray them. All right, let's go and see how it goes. Here I have several hooks, and I don't want it to be symmetrical. I want it to be like this, with the berries. Let's see how this will work. Where in the world is this hook? Oh, here it is. Okay. What do you think? I like it. It's not bright, not flashy, blends so well with this dark color, natural color of this wattle fence. And every time when I do my dishes, I can look at it and appreciate the winter theme of my garden.